Making the switch to cotton sheets and pillowcases promotes a better night's sleep with cotton's breathability and soft feel. Because cotton is a natural fabric, it's one of the easiest and comfiest swaps to make. Instead of disposable makeup wipes piling up in the landfill, invest in washable and reusable cotton pads. Not only does the comfortable fabric feel better on your delicate skin, but they're reusable for years to come. And the best part? They're hypoallergenic and gentle on skin. Cotton is a durable and beautiful fabric, making it great for curtains and drapes. They absorb moisture, but let light through, which allows them to help regulate the temperature in the home, saving money on heating and cooling. And they can be washed easily if they ever become dirty, instead of having to replace them like some other fabrics. Cotton is the fabric of our lives for good reason. Beyond your favorite t-shirt, cotton is the ideal fabric for use all over the home, from the bedroom to the bathroom and all your comfiest decor items as well. It's soft, breathable, and beautiful, making it the perfect choice for everything from sheets to towels.